I have SONY Xperia XZ2 and let me show you how to change pin on your SIM card by using this device. So at the very beginning, let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Here you need to scroll down and select lock screen and security. Let's scroll down again. And here you can find SIM card lock. Let's tap it. Here you have to choose on which SIM card you would like to use the pin protection, because on that device you can use two SIM cards. In my case, let me use the first one. Let's choose lock SIM card. Let's enter the old pin. As you can see, you have to input your correct pin. You've got only 3 attempts. And now my device requires pin to use. You can also here change SIM pin if you would like to. In order to do it, you have to enter your old pin, tap OK, and now you can enter the new one. So let me do it. Of course, you have to do it twice just to confirm the operation. So let me enter the pin one more time, choose OK, and that's it. The SIM pin was changed successfully. And the last option is the disabling the pin. Let's use the same switcher right here. In order to confirm the operation, you need to enter the pin one more time, tap OK, and that's it. So everything went well. Now your SIM is free of the pin protection. You can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.